What if Earth started sneezing? Firstly, if Earth started sneezing, many humans may get thrown away. Secondly, if Earth started sneezing, the moon may get covered in Earth's snot. Lastly, if Earth started sneezing, Earth's neighbors, Venus and Mars, may also get blown away. What if Earth converted into a mountain? Firstly, if Earth converted into a mountain, humans may keep on stumbling down its slopes. Secondly, if Earth converted into a mountain, even animals may keep on stumbling down its slopes. Lastly, if Earth converted into a mountain, aliens may start enjoying playing slides on Earth's slopes. What if Earth transformed into a raging thunderstorm? Firstly, if Earth transformed into a raging thunderstorm, humans might resort to jumping up and down. Secondly, if Earth transformed into a raging thunderstorm, even animals might resort to jumping up and down. Lastly, if Earth transformed into a raging thunderstorm, even the aliens will not dare to land on planet Earth. What if Earth turned into cheese? Firstly, if Earth turned into cheese, Earth's neighbors, Mars and Venus, may keep on eating Earth's cheese. Secondly, if Earth turned into cheese, even the mighty sun may start gorging on planet Earth's cheese. Lastly, if Earth turned into cheese, alien rats may also start feasting on Earth's cheese. What would happen if Earth became half Venus? Firstly, if Earth became half Venus, humans living on its fiery side would be sweating non-stop. Secondly, if Earth became half Venus, its sulfuric clouds might have humans relying on air fresheners all day long. Lastly, if Earth became half Venus, humans might get busy dodging its countless volcanoes. What if Earth lost all its water? Firstly, if Earth lost all its water, humans may now say goodbye to planet Earth. Secondly, if Earth lost all its water, even the animals may now say goodbye to planet Earth. Lastly, if Earth lost all its water, even planet Earth will now not have enough water to take a proper bath. What would happen if Sun lost its memory? Firstly, if Sun lost its memory, Sun may stop giving heat and light. All planets might start freezing. Secondly, if Sun lost its memory, Sun may get scared of all the nuclear reactions taking place on its surface. Lastly, if Sun lost its memory, Sun may not remember how to control its solar flares. What if Earth becomes invisible? Firstly, if Earth becomes invisible, Earth might take advantage of this and steal Saturn's rings, Neptune's winds, and Jupiter's great red spots. Secondly, if Earth becomes invisible, Earth may get overconfident and try to rob the black hole. Lastly, if Earth becomes invisible, astronauts might have a hard time landing on planet Earth. What if we shifted to Pluto? Firstly, if we shifted to Pluto, we may have to live in extremely crowded spaces as Pluto is smaller than our moon. Secondly, if we shifted to Pluto, we may need to wear a lot of jackets as Pluto is extremely cold. Lastly, if we shifted to Pluto, aliens may start laughing at us as Pluto is considered a dwarf planet. What if we shifted to Venus? Firstly, if we shifted to the hottest planet, as in Venus, then our ice creams may not last even for a fraction of a second. Secondly, if we shifted to Venus, we may have to cover our noses at all times as Venus's clouds smell like rotten eggs. Lastly, if we shifted to Venus, our houses may keep on getting destroyed as Venus has the most number of volcanoes.